Hey guys, so it's been very long time. I didn't publish anything on this in the playlist of HackThisSite.org solutions. So in this video, we're going to take a look at realistic third mission. So in the realistic missions, it's the third level. So the thing is, I run this website where people can find, read, and submit peace-related poetry. So I'm doing this out of good will towards, and I don't see why I would be making enemies out of this. But some real assholes hacked my website and posting bunch of ignorant, arrogant propaganda in front of the page, and I made that website a while ago, and I no longer have access to it. Do you think you can hack in and change it back? Please, the bonus points if you message me the name of bastard who did this. So let's see this. What's the thing? So God bless United States, the best country on the planet. If you aren't with us, okay. So hacks or red. So how do we take this down? Not the webmaster. This website hasn't but rotten. The website is still apparently copy to the. So that's the thing. So he have named the old index file. So now there's nothing else there. Okay, title has been hacked. just index.html, this one, index.html. So how do we change it? Yes, directory traversal. So okay, directory traversal. So that means I made that. That's it. That's it, guys. I think that's it. Yeah.